Some cleaning tools are designed for deep weekly cleaning. Others become the one thing you reach for almost every single day. And if you've ever been frustrated by dragging out a full-size vacuum just to clean your car seats, stairs, sofa, or small messes around the house, this may be exactly the kind of upgrade you've been missing. Welcome back to Buy with Confidence. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Bissell Cleanview Deluxe Corded Handheld Vacuum 47R51, a compact corded handheld vacuum designed for quick, targeted cleaning at home and inside your vehicle. This product is especially relevant for pet owners, apartment living, families with kids, or anyone who wants a lightweight vacuum that's always ready to handle everyday messes without the setup time of a larger machine. And if you'd like to check current pricing or availability, the purchase link is waiting in the description below. Reason 1. Strong suction without battery limitations. One of the biggest advantages of the Cleanview Deluxe is something many cordless handheld vacuums struggle with: consistent suction. Because this is a corded model, you don't have to worry about battery degradation, charging downtime, or reduced power halfway through a cleaning session. For car interiors, upholstery, crumbs, pet hair, and tight spaces, that reliability becomes genuinely valuable over time. It feels dependable in a way many small vacuums simply don't. Reason 2. Lightweight and easy to use daily. A handheld vacuum only works well if people actually want to use it regularly. The compact design here makes quick cleanups feel effortless rather than inconvenient. It's light enough to carry through the house comfortably, easy to store in smaller spaces, and simple enough that you can grab it immediately when needed. That convenience factor becomes a major part of the ownership experience. Reason 3. Designed specifically for hard-to-reach areas, this vacuum includes a flexible hose along with specialized cleaning tools that make a noticeable difference in real-world use. The crevice tool works especially well between car seats, along baseboards, and around furniture edges, while the wide mouth attachment speeds up larger surface cleaning. Instead of forcing one attachment to handle every situation, the Cleanview Deluxe feels intentionally designed for detailed cleaning tasks. Reason 4. Excellent for car interiors and upholstery. Many handheld vacuums advertise car cleaning, but the extended 18-foot power cord is what makes this one practical. You can move around most vehicles without constantly searching for another outlet or repositioning the vacuum every few minutes. Combined with the hose attachment, cleaning floor mats, seat cushions, center consoles, and tight corners becomes much more manageable. Trusted by many 5-star reviewers, this model has built a strong reputation among drivers and pet owners looking for reliable, everyday performance. Reason 5. Simple maintenance and long-term value. The bagless dust container is easy to empty and doesn't create ongoing replacement costs. Maintenance overall feels refreshingly straightforward. There's no complicated docking station, no battery concerns, and very little learning curve. That simplicity is part of what gives this vacuum long-term value. It focuses on doing a specific job consistently well rather than adding unnecessary complexity. Final verdict. The Bissell Cleanview Deluxe Corded Handheld Vacuum 47R51 is not intended to replace a full-size upright vacuum, and it's important to understand that going in. It also requires access to a power outlet, which may not suit every cleaning situation. But for targeted cleaning, car interiors, upholstery, stairs, pet hair, and everyday quick messes, it performs with impressive consistency and practicality. This is best suited for people who value reliability, strong suction, and convenience over trendy cordless designs that often sacrifice performance for portability. It stands out because it feels purpose-built, dependable, and easy to live with long-term. If this sounds like the right fit for your cleaning routine, you can find the link in the description below. And as always, buy carefully, choose thoughtfully, and invest in products that genuinely make everyday life easier.